This is so sad, no? Kakatapos ko lang kumain and yun na nga, umulan. Ganap lang ako ng daan na walang ulan. Pero ayun, papasok na ako ng Universal Studio ulit. Kasi lumabas lang ako. Nakakatuwa lang kasi when I got at the guest service, mayroon silang Wi-Fi. But basically, prior talaga magpunta kayo dito sa Singapore is meron na kayo dapat access sa lahat ng ng access ng mga internet and yung mga pass. Hey guys! So, good morning all the way from Singapore. I literally just woke up. Kidding aside, I woke up a bit early today and currently, time check, it's 9:16. But I need to go in Universal Studio by 10. So, how is it possible? Probably, I haven't eaten breakfast yet. But what I'll be doing is I'll be going to 7-Eleven to purchase bread. But yeah, I actually saw a nearby 7-Eleven here in the hotel that I am staying. Actually haven't purchased any SIM card, no? Wala pa akong Wi-Fi for my phone. Pero there is a Wi-Fi naman here in the hotel. Hopefully that 7-Eleven accept credit card. So, wala pa ako actually nagagawa and explore totally dito sa Singapore. So, yun, samahan niyo ako. So, kakababa lang natin, guys, and we're here. Wow! As a tourist. O, diba? Wala pa pala akong, sunblock. Ayun, ang lapit lang ng 7-Eleven. Literally, just across the street. Pero kabilang side. Medyo mainit, pero it's okay. Hopefully, maganda yung audio ko, no? Kasi I'm currently outside. So, punta muna tayo ng 7-Eleven just to purchase bread. Actually, ang daming restaurant nearby, eh. Katabi lang, hindi ko na kailangan lumayo. Pero I think it's a bit pricey dito sa area na to. It says 23 Singaporean. Walang pedestrian anyway. I'll just walk. Hindi ko alam. Pero yung 7-Eleven, good to know it's open. Ayan, literally within walking distance, meron din doon. So, kakaiba yung nila dito ha, pedestrian lane, tingnan nyo. Hindi siya kagaya nung sa Philippines na merong line. Pero nakakatawa, no? Hindi pala ako nagdala ng payo, mamaya umulan, pero upon checking on the weather, maulan. I don't know kung ako lang, no? Pero, ang bilis ng nila, stoplight for pedestrian crossing. So, syempre ako, chill lang. Pero ito talaga yung pinunta ko dito, 7-Eleven. Hindi, kidding aside, supposedly, midnight. Kaso nga lang, says push. Later. So, yeah. Nandito na tayo sa may 7-Eleven. Supposedly, yesterday, pupunta na ako dito to purchase SIM card and ask kung ano yung ni-recommend, pero sabi nila StarHub or Singtel will definitely ask assistance with the personnel. So yun, kaka-purchase lang natin ng SIM card. Ang binili ko na lang is Singtel. So what I'll be doing is I'll be registering the SIM card by myself. So I had an option. The StarHub is almost the same price but it's not available as of this time. So currently kasi need ko na siya ASAP, 'di ba? I'm super late na with the USS trip. That is why I purchased na lang the Singtel. Siguro first impression, no, here in Singapore, para talaga siyang BGC. Iba lang yung yung mga tao, iba lang din yung language, tsaka signage. And nakakatuwa about dito sa kanila yung sasakyan nila is nasa right yung driver side. Kasi sa atin, on left side siya eh. Ay, lagpas na ako. Here pala. Munti ka na tayo lumagpas. So currently, I'm back at the hotel. I'm eating the bread that I purchased. It's a California walnut. So here's the SIM card that I purchased in the 7-Eleven. I got this for 12 Singaporean dollar, equivalent to 400 plus. And binigyan niya naman ako ng instruction kung paano gagawin. So actually, in terms of location, okay naman yung place ko kasi may mga dumadaan na bus. Maraming restaurant. So, hindi tayo magugutom. Ang problema, medyo mahal. Ay, food trip yarn. Hindi, actually, itong ano ko, bread ko na. Akala ko mukbang itong ginagawa ko. Hindi, so, ang next ko nang gagawin is to tilmi ko na yung bread kasi ang dami ko na nakain. I don't know kung may problema yung network, pero upon purchasing, sinabihan ako ng babae na pumunta sa mismong Singtel kapag hindi gumana. Unfortunately, hindi siya gumagana. So, I highly recommend once you purchase a SIM card, doon na sa mismong nag-a-assist or doon sa mismong booth na pagbibilhan nyo. Kasi in my case, no, kailangan ko pa pumunta ng Singtel para lang ma-activate yung SIM card. So, very annoying and medyo nagko-consume na siya ng time ko. And I need to go to Universal Studios na. Hey guys! So, we're here outside. Grabe, ang bibilis talaga ng mga sasakyan dito. Nakaka-bother. Hindi tayo mag-grab going there. We'll probably trying via commute. But I want to give a shout out to the front desk for assisting me that I need to ride at the... Hindi ko alam kung safe ba itong ginagawa ko. Anyway, hello. Yeah. So the people here are very nice. They mentioned that I'll be riding the bus 131. Guys, I purchased already the tourist pass, so I highly recommend to purchase this one because this is much affordable. So you just have to look for the ticket office. This costs about 30 Singaporean dollars for a 3 days pass. So I'm looking for a Singtel para meron na tayong internet mamaya, hindi na ako mababother. Actually, nakikita ko lang to online before. So we're here. Sige, hanapin muna natin pala yung yung Singtel bago tayo mag-explore. Masyado ako natuwa. So, we finally saw the Singtel store. I already purchased a SIM card. It says that I need to go to the actual store for the assistance.
Maybe you can try either 7-Eleven or the one at Bugis Junction.
Yeah, I already went there but they advised me going to the store.
It's in Bugis Junction?
In Balestier.
Yeah, because that one, the Bugis Junction, that one is the main Singtel.
Yeah.
So you need to take the train to Bugis.
There's no access here?
No, not in this building.
Correct. So, sad news guys, we're not able to access the Singtel SIM card that I purchased 7-Eleven. So, I highly not recommend to purchase Singtel because they are not accommodating. Moving forward, we'll just enjoy the rest of the day since I'm super late with my Universal Studio and it's already, I think, when I check, it's past 1 p.m. So, I'll probably have my lunch here and enjoy the rest of the day.